Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, and we got some news worthy of reporting, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World, bringing you the news that matters. And today, yes people, this news, it matters. Today, I'm excited about the news, the leaks and rumors that I just got through checking out that we're going to talk about today. And it's all about the Galaxy Note 10. Now, we've already checked out the Galaxy S10 with the Infinity O, the fingerprint scanner up under the display, which looks gorgeous. But I'm telling you, this build quality on the Galaxy Note 10 is going to look a lot better than what we're going to see on the Galaxy S10. Now, the specs, the photos, the leaks that you're going to see today, take this with a grain of salt. Nothing has been confirmed by Samsung. So let's go ahead, let's dive into this. First of all, people, the look of this smartphone looks great. I like the build quality. I like the Infinity O display. I like the fact that we are going to get the fingerprint scanner on the Galaxy Note 10. I am enjoying my Galaxy Note 9, but I'm really eager to see this Galaxy Note 10 in person. Now, the phone gets bigger because we're going to have a 6.6-inch display. Also, it's coming with 5G. Now, if it comes with two versions, 5G or non-5G, because I'm quite sure they're going to charge us more for the 5G, I'm going to go ahead and go with the 4G. My phone is doing just great with the 4G. But it's also coming with a chipset of 855 Snapdragon and a 9820 Exynos. Now, the storage, I'm hoping the storage comes with more than 128 starting out the gate. I'm hoping it comes with 256 all the way up to 2 terabytes for those of you all who really need the storage. And it said that we should get up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is going to take this far past being a super beast. Now the camera, we gotta talk about the camera, right? The camera is going to be totally off the chart. First of all, it's going to surpass what we have on the Galaxy S10 because it's coming with a quad camera, people. Rumored to be wide angle telephoto and ultra wide 3D on the Galaxy Note 10. Listen, this thing is going to be crazy. On top of it all, it's coming with 100 megapixel, people. 100. Now listen, it's going to come with the fingerprint scanner. We already talked about that, but listen, the S Pen. The S Pen supposedly, people, is going to have a camera. They have the schematics on this thing showing that it's a patent. And yeah, I don't know how they're going to do it. I don't know how they're going to pull this one off. But listen, all we can do is sit and wait and see if this is real or not. All right, you all, listen, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if you got the Galaxy S10 or are you waiting on the Galaxy Note 10. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if you liked the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this one. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.